Most digital product creators don't have a digital product problem, they have a systems problem. Everything is scattered, nothing talks to each other, and every product feels like starting from scratch. Today, I'm going to show you the system I recommend and the system you can build to organize your entire digital product business inside Asana from the moment a new idea sparks all the way to publishing it in your storefront, to tracking revenue, testimonials, updates, promotions, and growth. This is the system I wish I had when I started, and it's one you can put in place no matter how many products you have, and it'll grow with you. Hi, I'm Samantha, here to help online coaches, freelancers, and other small service-based entrepreneurs organize and streamline their business operations so that they can save time and mental energy and focus on what they love to do. And in today's video, I'm sharing the entire ecosystem, not just one project, not just one workflow, but an Asana-powered operating system you can use to run and scale your digital product world, even if you're juggling client work, parenting, life stress, or a lot of mental load, because trust me, I get it. This isn't about copying my system. This is about giving you the clarity and structure to build your own version, one that fits your business, your brain, and your season of life. Now let's start with the foundation. So the biggest problem digital product creators have is that everything lives everywhere. So the very first thing I recommend setting up inside your Asana is your digital product HQ, or what I call my offer tracker. This is the place where all of your offers live in one clean visual project, instead of scattered across tools or folders, or maybe even not tracked at all. No shame, we've all been there. In Asana, you can group your offers by type: freebies, digital products, services, and then use custom fields. This is where the magic happens to track status, active, in development, retired, the price, the sales page link, Asana project link, whether it's been added to your website. This one project instantly creates clarity for your entire ecosystem. And if you ever collaborate with a VA or have a team member helping you, this project is absolutely essential. It becomes your shared source of truth, a clean index of every offer that exists in your world. But this is only the overview. Next, let's talk about how a single product actually moves through its life cycle. So when you create digital products without a workflow, it's chaos. Every step feels like reinventing the wheel, and you're left wondering what to do next. So this is where your product development template comes in. This is a project template you'll duplicate for every product you create, so you stay in creation mode, not decision mode. Now let me walk you through the structure so you can build your own version. And if you want my exact template that has taken me 4 years to fine tune, you can get all that plus my foundational templates inside Asana Essentials. It's your shortcut to creating an Asana account that runs your entire business. You can check it out at samanthacasbrick.com/AE if that sounds like something that would help you. So your product development template is going to have sections like important info and dates for key details, deadlines, notes, links, and goals. We're going to have a section for prep and setup, everything you need to prep before creating, like key decision making on pricing and titles, initial research, and sales page development. And then a section for product creation. This is the heart of the build, things like outline, Canva designs, and videos or audio. And then there's the pre-launch selling and marketing section, which includes tasks like emails, social media posts, and setting timers. And then there's the delivery section, publishing everything and emailing it out if there was a pre-sale. And then the post-delivery section, which includes the launch debrief, celebrations, and updating the template. Then you can have a section for customer feedback and testimonials, which is where your Asana form connects. I have a form linked directly to this section, so when someone submits feedback or testimonial, it automatically becomes a task. Now this lets you store everything in one place for future updates or marketing. Then you can have a section for promo emails where all of your promo email drafts go, and then your emails to buyers, everything that gets sent to buyers post-purchase, and then your social media posts, every planned social post connected to launch or evergreen promotion. And then you can have a section for FAQs where you can have common questions you want to address on your sales page or in your content. And then you can have a section for future ideas to add, versions, expansions, bonuses, updates, all stored here so you never lose your idea. And finally, you can have a section for ongoing work, anything you want to revisit later, like design refresh, new promo ideas, and seasonal updates. Now, this template is complex and it becomes the backbone of your creation workflow. Every product you create is born from this template. Now, once your template is duplicated for a product, you connect it back to your digital product HQ using your custom fields, your product status, product link, Asana project link, price, and what type it is. This creates a fully connected system. You can click into any product from your offer tracker and instantly see where it's at, what's left to do, where files live, what emails need to be written, what's already done, which tasks you handed to a VA, and which tasks are waiting on you. This is where overwhelm disappears. Everything has a home. Okay, I want to add this in here because with an organized backend, I also want to make sure you're set up in the front end as well. This is the part most people wait way too long to think about and also tend to get stuck or overcomplicating it. So let's make this simple. You essentially have two categories of options. Number one is the fully custom multi-tool route. This is where you build a full website, create separate sales pages, integrate checkout tools, set up your own storefront design, connect automations, manage multiple logins, constantly update things. Now, this works for sure. This is great if you want a more complex setup and have the time or team to maintain it, but honestly, not everyone wants that, especially if you're a busy service provider, coach, freelancer, or mom running a business with limited hours and limited mental capacity. So this brings us to the second option. So the second option is the simple, fast, low maintenance route. This is for you if you don't want a full complicated website, you don't want a bunch of separate tools all duct taped together. You want something you can set up fast. You want AI to help you get things moving quickly. You just want your products to live somewhere clean and professional. And this is exactly where Everbee Store fits beautifully into your system. So if you want the fastest, simplest, most organized storefront that works seamlessly with the Asana backend you're building, Everbee Store is the one I recommend here. So here's why. It gives you a clean, professional storefront without design work. It's super simple to set up and it's user-friendly. AI helps you get set up quickly. This is one of the coolest parts. So Everbee Store uses AI to help you write product descriptions, generate layout copy, organize your storefront sections, and even create a clean shop experience faster. And it also reduces your tool stack. So if you don't want a website builder, a separate storefront tool, a separate design tool, and a separate product hub, you don't need to. Everbee Store replaces a whole chunk of your tech stack with a single, simple solution. And it's also perfect for multi-product creators. So whether you sell templates, mini courses, guides, workbooks, bundles, or a mix of everything, Everbee Store gives you one simple hub for it all. It's also easy to maintain, especially during real-life seasons. This matters more than people realize. So when you're juggling client work, launches, parenting, busy seasons, burnout, or life in general, the last thing you need is a storefront that requires constant tweaking. Everbee Store keeps everything tidy and simple so you can focus on making great products, not managing tech. And honestly, you can set up your storefront before your product is even finished. It removes friction and it builds momentum. Your Asana system keeps everything organized and manageable. Your storefront keeps your offers easy to find and easy to buy. Together, they create a digital product business that's sustainable even when life is full. You can try out Everbee Store at samanthakasbrick.com/Everbee if this sounds like the option for you. All right, now that your products have a home and a place where people can buy them, this next part is where your digital product business becomes sustainable. Because after you launch a product, your work isn't done. Asana helps you manage ongoing tasks like future updates, version control, customer feedback, questions that come in, ideas to improve the sales page, content you want to create, flash sale planning, bundling, and seasonal refreshes. This turns each product into a long-term asset, not a one-and-done project. All right, now let's talk about tracking. Inside Asana, you can track your digital product revenue two ways. So the first way is with an income and expenses project. This is where you track monthly revenue, revenue by product, patterns, and goals. This helps you see what's working and what's worth improving. Number two is your digital post-it wall. This is my personal favorite, and it makes business fun. This is where you track every single customer, what they purchased, patterns, repeat buyers, people who buy everything, people who tend to buy certain types of products, and anything else you want to try. It's visual, it's motivating, it's grounding, and it reminds you how your products are actually helping people. Next, let's talk about testimonials, feedback, and continuous improvement. Because digital products thrive when you improve them over time. This is where your Asana form comes in again. So you can create a feedback form for customer insights, testimonials, suggestions, and requests. And every submission becomes a task inside your product project. So this gives you ideas for updates, social proof, clarity on what people love, clarity on what to improve, better marketing angles. And this is how your product ecosystem grows with your audience, not in isolation. All right, here's the full ecosystem. Asana for your digital product backend, your ideas, your workflows, your tasks, your content, your updates, your revenue tracking, your testimonials, and future plans. And then Everbee Store for your simple, clean storefront, everything your audience sees. And together, they create a digital product business that feels sustainable, even during the messy real-life season of parenting, burnout, illness, or just life. You're not relying on motivation, you're relying on a system that supports you. So if you want to build your own digital product ecosystem, the best place to start is watching the rest of the series. It walks you through every foundational piece, and I'll put it up right here. And if you want the templates to build the structure we talked about today, particularly that complex product development template and everything inside your Asana backend, you can grab Asana Essentials at samanthakasbrick.com/AE. It gives you the exact framework you need to make your digital product business feel clear, organized, and doable. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.